This is Group 1 and this is our report.
My name is Altair Barico.
My name is Batapang Princess Nicole.
My name is Rick Perez.
My name is Kenji Masmuganda.
My name is Samantha Nicola.
My name is Luther Period.
So the lesson that we are going to discuss in our group is all about developmental stages in middle and late adolescence. As in our introduction, life involves natural, spontaneous changes known as human development. So, as we grow and develop from the start, we develop in every aspect. It focuses on human growth and changes throughout life, including our physical, nagbabago yung physical na ano ng isang tao sa paglaki niya, social, personality, emotional growth. Sa social naman, nag-iiba yung way natin ng pagsusungo sa tao and lumalawak yung tao sa pagitan natin na nakakasalumuhan natin. Studying human developmental stages is crucial for understanding how humans learn, nurture, mature and adapt. Understanding these changes helps to respond and plan. So, studying human developmental stages is very important for us to know how people develop and grow as a person. So we are going to tackle different stages in developmental. The first is prenatal, infancy, early childhood, late childhood, adolescence, early adulthood, middle age, and old age. All of that is what we are going to discuss.
Okay, first is prenatal. Dito sa yugtong to is yung bago ang kapanganakan. Dito pa lang makubuo yung mga body features mo, body parts, tapos kung ano yung gender mo. Tapos next is infancy. Dito naman, ito yung mga 1 year old, 2 years old, tapos dito yung mabubuo yung behavior mo, kung anong pag-uugali meron ka, tapos kung ano yung mga kakayahan.
Early childhood. Bigang age, exploratory and questioning behavior, language, and elementary reasoning are acquired initial socialization. So, sa early childhood ko dito ay gusto nilang explore yung mga hindi nila nagagawa at gusto nilang gawin. So, tapos tinatanong nila sa sarili na kung ano yung mga gusto nilang gawin. Sa late childhood naman po, gamit creativity, age, self-help skills, social skills, and school skills, and they are developed. So, sa late childhood naman, dito natutulungan nila yung sarili na hanapin ang kanilang skills sa kanilang nakikita. Dito na din nila nagagawa yung mga gusto nilang gawin.
Adolescence. Transition age from childhood to adulthood. Sex maturation and rapid physical development of changing feelings, thinking, and acting. Adolescence. Dito na po nagsisimula ang mga part ng pagdadalaga at pagbibinata. At dito na rin po pasok ang part na maraming iniisip. Katulad na sa school, akads, tapos kung saan po ang ito. Tapos dito na rin po pasok ang stage na nag-mature na. Early adulthood. Age of adjustment to new patterns of life. In roles such as spouse, parent, and breadwinner. Early adulthood. At ito naman po ang stage na kailangan naman trabaho para ikaw ay makakatulong sa iyong magulang. At dito rin po pumapasok na kailangan mo bigay-bigay katulad sa kapatid mo na mga nag-aaral. At ang iba naman po ay nag-aasawa. Middle age, transition, adjustment, initial, physical, and mental decline, experience. Ito po ay ang panahon mula sa edad ng 40 hanggang sa pag-retiro ay nagsasagot ng mabilis sa pananalapi, lalo na sa mga pagtitipid sa pag-retiro at pagbawas ng sa old age naman ito ay ang katandaan ng pag-retiro at ang kamatayan ay nagkakaugnais ang mga konsepto at katandaan ay isang pangatid na kadahilanan para sa kamatayan.
So the 8 developmental stages are already discussed. We just have our review. The first is prenatal, conception of birth, the concept of birth, yun na nabubuo pa lang tayo sa loob ng womb ng mother natin. While the infancy, ito yung birth to 2 years old, where lahat ng genetic form natin is nag-evolve yung parts ng katawan natin na nagmamature. Next is early childhood. Ito yung time na nagiging curious tayo sa mga bagay-bagay na nagde-develop tayo ng mga questions kasi nagde-develop na tayo as a person. Next naman is late childhood. Diyan na tayo is yung natutunan tayong tumayo sa sarili natin mga paa at mag-decide sa sarili natin. Next is adolescence. Ito naman is yung nag-change na yung katawan natin and yung pagdadalaga at pagbibi na tayo, nababago na yung form and yung bones natin. While early childhood is, ito yung early adulthood, ito yung pagpili ng mapapangasawa mo. Middle age is the transition age, adjustment to initial physical and mental decline. So nagkakaroon na ng mga problems sa system natin, especially in our physically. While the old age or retirement age, hindi lang physical yung nag-decline, kundi yung mental din natin. So we are done with the 8 developmental stages. Now we are going to discuss Hubbard Hart's developmental tasks during the lifespan. So this is Mr. Robert J. Hubbard Hart, and he said that people grow through different life stages, and each stage has specific tasks they must learn. These tasks are shaped by physical maturity, personal values, societal expectations. Successfully completing the task leads to satisfaction and prepares a person for the next stage, while failure may cause physical pain or frustration. So each step, meron tayong mga tasks. For example, bata ka pa lang, natututo ka pa na magsalita, maganda mo, nag-decide ka ng mga decision. So each bad or good will lead us into development. Pag maganda yung task mo, pinakita mo as a person, then maganda yung development mo. Then otherwise, kapag mali naman yung mga pinagagawa mo sa buhay, then you will develop but in a bad way.
These are developmental tasks. Infancy and early childhood. Learning to walk. This po, natutunan ng bata na kumilos at maglakad. Sa learning to walk po, dito po, unti-unti bumibigkas ng mga sa learning sex, dito po, sila naiintindihan ang pagkakaiba ng lalaki at babae. Sa middle and late childhood, learning physical skill. Dito po, nakasa ang kanilang ito, wala sa pagmamagitan ng sport or tulad po ng badminton, achieving personal achievement. Nagsisimula sila maghangad ng tagumpay tulad mo sa achievement sa school. Adolescence, achieving mature relationships. Dito po, nagkakaroon po sila ng kaibigan or karelasyon. And preparing for marriage. Hindi po ito, hindi po ito parang magpapakasal. Ito po ay pagbabago. Hindi po ito literal na pag-aasawa. Pag-aandam po ito ng responsibilidad sa hustong gulang po. Preparing for marriage. Accepting one's physique. Dito po nagkakaroon ng pagbabago sa katawan. Tulad po sa mga lalaki, nagkakaroon po sila ng dito.
Here naman sa early adulthood, ang mga tasks na selecting a mate, starting a family, and managing a home. Ito yung mag-start na yung mga gusto nila sa buhay na magkaroon ng pamilya, ganyan.
Middle adulthood. Ang middle adulthood magbago mindset. Diyan nga pinapasa yung
pagiging adult sa kanilang mga
Later maturity. So, sa later maturity, dito nag-umpisa mahina ka to at makaganda. Mas in-enjoy na lang nila na kasama ang pamilya ko bago sila mamaan.
So we already discussed the developmental stages and the different tasks in each stage. Now we are going to proceed to our conclusion in our entire topic. Human development is a foundation of fulfilling and productive life, and its mastery is essential for reaching one's full potential. In conclusion, this intricate and dynamic process unfolds through distinct interdependent stages where each set of developmental tasks must be skillfully navigated. Successfully accomplishing this task is crucial for fostering resilience, growth, and meaningful societal contribution. So in short words, each stages in our life we develop as a person. So we need to successfully accomplish those tasks for us to be able to grow as a person.